asuntoskeittiö Imatra Koskitori. What is the address?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I can check it later.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
This is a retake for me.
In 2017 4269 2635.
This building completed on January 2000.
Asutteko te täällä?
Ei.
Miksi te sit liikutte täällä hississä?
Kuvataan
Tätä taloa?
hissiä vaan.
Okei.
I actually like this indicator.
Same here.
It's rare in Imatra.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if it's the first one.
Yeah.
Probably. Let's check the view quickly.
Yeah.
Not so interesting, but yeah.
Yeah.
This building is better.
Yeah. No, sorry about that.
The building is very safe, actually,
Yeah.
because you have to have your code to get in.
60 per 1,200 kilograms.
But it's not so bad.
Yeah.
Back doors, unfortunately.
Yeah.
No charm. But the cab is very nice.
Yeah.
And serves 8 floors too.
Nice fixtures also.
Yes.
And the car looks like shit.
Inspected by inspector made it by Kone.
Okay, let's go on.
That's it.
That's